Hello, today we will be looking into Camera Shake. First create a blueprint class and search for Camera Shake. You can name the class to something and then open it up. Here, you can insert values to it. Right now, I am just testing. So you have a Camera Shake, but to activate it, you will need an object. I will be doing it as a loop in the player class, so I open the player class and go to event begin play. Here I can add a set timer by event. Now, I can create a custom event called Play Camera Shake, and for this to work, I will need to get Player Camera Manager, and from the return value, I can do Play Camera Shake, selecting the Camera Shake. I can just drag the event to the red square of the timer and it will work, with adding in looping. Anyway, time to test it. Interesting result. My game is shaking like a speaker. Hope you enjoyed this video and bye.